Pretty much a new sledge. Sledge, how you doing, Sledge? Woo! Sledge.
What up?
Ooh, yes. New tires? You got new tires on there too, huh?
New tires, man.
You serious?
New sledge.
I need to put these on.
Pretty much a new sledge.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I
Pretty
see you.
much.
I see you.
What
Yeah.
up, JP? That's right, I'm back.
Ready to go on Sledge Hammer, man. How's Sledge Hammer feeling today?
Assuming you know that I can only simulate emotions, I feel great. Thank you for the overhaul, full disassembly and thorough cleaning. Road and weather conditions are perfect for setting a new overall PB.
Oh man, low, huh? Uh-oh. Come on, let's run it. Let's go. You ready? Let's do it, man.
No, sir. That's all you, brother.
All right, Sledge, let's get yourself turned on here.
Let's do this. Remember this during the run. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. Repeat this over and over. I will not wreck my $3,000 car.
Let's go, man.
This is my first time seeing this car.
So yeah, okay, so maybe hopefully I'll read it again. 1. Start. All right,
Tracking.
man, we tracking,
We
man.
got a truck coming this way.
Okay, all right.
Clear again. You're clear again.
On your marks, get set, go. I'm way down there.
Oh no, 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 no.
This is not good. Please retrieve me.
Gotta go get it. Gotta go get that one, JB.
My guts are spread all over this road down here.
Yeah, he flipped.
Please hurry. How bad is it?
Oh, goodness gracious.
How bad is it?
All right, doesn't look bad, but it's bad. Doesn't look bad, but it's bad. Got everything back.
Good?
Everything was out the car.
Ouch.
Everything was out of the car when I got there. So I had to pick up all the batteries.
Oh my god.
I was just noticing a couple things that looked damage to my chassis and stuff.
Get out. What have you done to me?
Look at that chassis damage.
For crying out loud. Holy moly, Batman.
Oh, that's,
Did you get the GNSS?
let me see. Yeah.
Just as long as you're driving.
So I'm checking right now my drive line.
That's good. Dang, dude, I'm sorry.
Drive line is good.
Thank God.
Batteries look good.
Thank the Lord.
We might still be able to run it again. I gotta get another couple straps.
Okay.
I might be able to run it again.
What do you mean, Mike? There is no binding anywhere.
And I'll run it haphazardly. Just
Like you should have been driving in the first pass.
All right, let's check it.
Sorry about
At least I know that.
I'm glad you guys think this is funny.
No. But at least we did get it up to speed. I was out of it. I mean, the dust made me pull out, but the dust on this side made me pull out of it.
Okay.
You know? But then I didn't see it for a minute, and I could tell it hit. And
it hit something, and that's
it hit
why
the curb.
Yeah.
Because I went in the dust, and then it was too late. But I tried to
All excuses.
get out of it, and oh man, it really got ugly. At the end of the day, it got ugly. But this is what Sledge can do. 175.
That's your PB.
Wow, I was really moving along, wasn't I? Even though you were aiming for 180, 175 is not bad at all.
Hey! Get back stronger, dude. 175, we know that thing can do it. Dang, dude.
Cheer up, fellas, I am going to be alright, trust me on this. Put me back together and let's go.
So on the last run, this was the result. A little tire malfunction. But now we're back. Sledge is coming back for another ride. So let's get her going. Sledge, how you doing?
Between better and best.
Are you back in?
Yep. Maybe you don't need to stay on the throttle so long.
See what you got, man. I put you back together, so now you gotta show out.
Tape me up. And it is you that needs to show out. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. Better to be a racer for a moment than a spectator for a lifetime.
Let me turn it around this way.
Thank you.
All right. So this is tracking. Stop. Stop. Read. 1. All right. Let's see now. We're going to track. Tracking. All right. Now we're going to start it. Now it's up there. All right. Set this new PB. Bring it back home this time. Gotta bring it back home this time though.
Get it! Let's get it!
Sledge, how you feel down there? You feeling any better, okay? I know you could do it.
I'm feeling finer than frog hair.
He wants it, he wants it. He wants it bad too. Tell me.
Thanks for the quick fixes.
I'm going way down there. I wanna...
Clear.
All clear. Ooh, that scared me. That scared me, man.
All systems remain competently stable.
Good driving.
Good run, driver.
That scared me going by. That's why I got out of it. Isn't that hilarious, man? It scared me so bad I stopped the run. That's crazy.
He was getting squirrely though.
I feel like that still did it though.
Dude, that has to be 172. 173.
I feel like that still did it though. All right, let's get this on here. Okay, are we tracking? We are tracking. Stop and read. 169. Woo! Woo!
Not sure a single 17-16-50 can do that. It's not a PB, but I'll take it.
Run it again.
Send me.
All right, we're tracking.
Something doesn't feel right.
Need that PB.
Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future.
On your marks. Get set. Go.
Oh no, impact on a
Critical error.
Oh, pack is burning.
Oh, we're on fire.
Pack is burning. I don't know what that means out there. Hope is my car. Is that my car? That's just a pack, huh?
That's just the pack. Get the pack out of the wall if you can. See?
Oh man. Oh man.
It's on fire?
No. The other ones are though. I have no packs left.
Failing may seem like a detour, but remember that God's plans are bigger than our failures. He often uses our setbacks to guide us toward His perfect purpose.
Sledge died. Sledge died today.
Oh.
Oh man. Sledge died today.
Oh.
I was saying Sledge died pretty much today, huh?
Oh.
Sledge is gone, man. There'll never be another Sledge like that.
It's right here.
Huh?
Still build this. It ain't done.
It ain't done yet?
No, dude. This is...
Look at this. This ain't the side. These tires chunked on me.
Yep. It definitely did chunk on you for sure.
They chunked on me.
Yeah, you know why? Because this is brand spanking new. That's why. You should at least hit like 100 times, 100 miles at least. Wear it down a little bit.
This side might not have, that was a chunk too, but this right here, we know what happened there. That was hitting the curb, right? But then we chunked right here.
Yep.
And this was a major chunk.
Oh yeah,
Well,
that
might be why I hit the curb. But only other thing is to check my my speedo. So I got the distance back and everything, and let's see what it is. Stop. Read. 164. 164. It was. I knew it wasn't gonna be. So I'm still at 171.